Good morning, YouTubers. Welcome back to my channel. Excuse me. I am Diamonds58, back with another quick little video for you, which is going to be called Irritating Noises. Before that, can I ask you to pop on over to Amazon, where I've written some books. Search for me by author name Hollywood Boulevard, or you can just put Jimmy Daffin, because that's the book that's doing really well at the minute. And thank you so much for going and having a look. And I'm also on Instagram at Hollywood's Pictures. So yeah, I'm there. I'm there for you. And I'd like to thank you for subscribing. And if you haven't already subscribed, think about it. Subscribe. There's so much more quick little videos, and I hope they're helpful. And what's the word I'm looking for? Helpful and informative. Is that the word I'm looking for? Yeah. So early in the morning, I'm half asleep. Sorry. Yeah. So today's quick little video. Yeah. Sorry. The camera. I'm trying to hold the camera and talk at the same time. It is not easy. Not easy. But I think I've done it. Yeah, is that it? I hope so. Yeah, annoying noises people make. I go quite a lot to the theatre and or sometimes the movies. And you know, you could be sat there and suddenly the phone goes off. Oh, please, hello. Switch your phone off. I'm sure you can live without it for 2 hours or whatever length the film is. Thank you. And then there's, but I'm not sure whether that's just bad manners sometimes. I'm playing bad manners. That's another one. I don't think there's ever any excuses for that. Is there? No. No, I don't think there is. And, just let me have a look. I've got it written down because I couldn't remember. And, hang on. I'll get it in a minute. Oh, and yeah, yelping dogs. Oh, you know, sometimes I go for a walk in the park, and then you get these little Yorkshire Terriers yelping, you know, at your ankles. I think, go away, go away. And then the owners always say, it won't bite you, it won't bite you. Really? All I see are teeth coming at my ankles. Of course the damn thing is going to bite me. And this one I think is the worst of the lot. That really, it just makes you go, ooh, makes you, you know, it's when people are eating and they're eating with their mouth open. Oh, I don't want to see it, and I don't want to see that mushed up mushy peas or cheese or whatever it is you're eating. I just do not want to see it. Thank you. So what are your annoying little habits that other people do? Let me know in the comment box. That's just a few of mine. And hey, if I've got any little annoying habits that you don't like, let me know in the comment box. Maybe you've seen me live, because I'm a street busker, a street artist. So if you're ever in the UK, check me out. I'm in Greater Manchester. I'm either on the Curry Mile or I'm somewhere around the Etihad Stadium. Yeah, that's a big stadium around here. I'm usually walking around there. So, you know, check me out and let me know. Say, oh my God, Diamonds, is it you? Yeah. You can bet your bottom dollar it is little old Diamonds58. I'm always there. So maybe you want to see, you know, live. Yeah, and that's it. Let me know in the comment box what you think. And oh, I don't know. I keep seeing this blue mark on the camera. I wonder what that is. I don't know. If you know, let me know in the comment box. Oh, do you know what I think it is? I think it's the light. Because I've had to put the light on. Yeah, I think it's the light. I'm sorry. I'm not a cameraman, but I try. This is Diamonds. 58. And I'll see you again next time for one of my quick little videos. Hopefully I'll find out what the hell that blue mark is. Thanks for watching, everybody, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm all over the place, but I try. I do try. Thanks for watching. Bye.